Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my Arabic learners. Now, in today's video, I will be teaching you a domir. Domir. What does domir mean? It means a pronoun. That's a domir, pronoun. Now, you now say inna domir. This is the definition of domir, pronoun. Inna domir. You see the word inna domir. You see domir. في اللغة العربية, in Arabic language, اسم جامد, it is a what? A solid noun. مبني يتم, constructed noun. وضع, it is placed. حتى يدل على متكلم, to indicate a speaker. For example, Anna. That's what Anna, I'm referring to myself. That's what a personal pronoun. The second pronoun is mukhatab. You have what? You have mukhatab. You are facing someone. Now, for example, you have anta. Then ghaib, you have ghaib. That is an absent what? An absent pronoun. For example, we have huwa. That's huwa. Now we say domir. That is domir. It is divided into what? Into three parts. We have the first one, which is mutakalim. The second one is mukhatab. And then the third one is what? Ghaib. That is the third pronoun. Now, under this now, we have, for example, we have ana. You know, don't forget mutakalim. So what? That's a what? Personal what? That's a what? Personal pronoun. That's mutakalim. Then we have the second one is what? Nahnu. 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 We have mukhatab. This is what? Mukhatab. Under this, we have anta. We have anti. We have different examples under this mukhatab, but let me just write these two. Then I'm going to use these two to form some sentence, inshallah ta'ala. Then we have ghahib, which is what? An example is what? Huwa. Then we have hiya. Now, mutakalim, that's what? Ana. Second is what? Nahnu. Then mukhatab. An example of is what? Anta. Then the second is what? Anti. Ghaib, that's huwa, hiya. Now let me use these words to form some sentence. Now, ana. 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 That's ana. Now, if you want to say, how do you say this in Arabic? That's I'm sitting. I'm sitting. How do you say that in Arabic? You say ana jalisun. That's what? Ana jalisun. Ana jalisun. That's what? I'm sitting. If you want to say I'm writing, how do you say that? You say ana aktubu. You say ana aktubu. Ana aktubu. Then another one. How do you say this in Arabic? That I'm beating. You say ana adribu. Ana adribu. Ana adribu. Ana adribu. Now, how do you say I'm carrying? I'm carrying. How do you say that in Arabic? I'm carrying. You say ana ahmilu. Ana ahmilu. That's what I'm carrying. That's I'm carrying. That's ana ahmilu. Say, how do you say that I'm carrying something? Say ana ahmilu shay'an. Say ana ahmilu shay'an. Say ana ahmilu shay'an. That I'm carrying something. I'm carrying something. That shay'an, it means what? Something. Something, that's what Arabic of what? Something is what? Shay'an, ana ahmilu. Shay'an, I'm carrying something. Now let's use the second one to form another phrase. With nahnu. Nahnu. How do you say? Let's use nahnu, the word nahnu, to form another phrase. Nahnu nadribu. Nahnu nadrib. It means what? We are beating. Nahnu nadribu. Nahnu nadribu. That's what we are beating. Nahnu nadribu. Then how do you say we are eating in Arabic? We are eating. You say nahnu. Nahnu. You say nahnu. Nahnu na'kul. Nahnu na'kul. We are eating. Nahnu na'kul. We are eating. Nahnu na'kul. We are what? We are eating. Now, another word. Nahnu. Nahnu. Nahnu nagsilu. Nahnu nagsilu. We are what? We are washing. Nahnu nagsilu. We are washing. Nahnu nagsilu. We are washing. Now, let's go to the second example of what domain, which is anta. Anta. That's what. Now, with this, let's use anta to form another phrase. That anta ta'kul. Anta ta'kul. You are eating. You are what? You are eating. You are eating. Then anta taqsil thawbaka. Anta taqsil that thawbaka. That's what? You are washing your clothes. You are washing your what? Your clothes. Anta taqsilu thawbaka. You are washing your clothes. Thawbu. That's the Arabic of what? Clothes. Thawbu. Thawbu. Thawb. That's what? Clothes. It means what? Clothes. Thawbu. It means clothes. Now, the second one, which is what? Anti. Let's use anti to form another what? To form another phrase. Now, how do you say this? That you are what? You are eating in Arabic. You are facing a female, because the way you say you are eating in Arabic, referring to a male, it is far different from the way you are going to what you are going to say this in to a feminine. Then you say auntie. How do you say you are eating in Arabic? If it is for male, it is going to be what? Anta ta'kul. But if it is for female, you say anti ta'kulin. You say anti. تأكلين. Anti تأكلين. You are eating. That's what. That's for uh, feminine. That's for what? Feminine. You are eating. But if it's for masculine, that's what? Anta. Anta. Anta ta'kul. Anta ta'kul. You are eating. That's for what? That is for masculine. Now, how do you say you are washing? You are washing. You are referring to a what? You are referring to a female. How do you say that in Arabic? You say anti taxilina. Anti taxilina. Anti taxilina. Anti taxilin. You are what? You are washing. You are washing. That, don't forget, you are referring to a what? You are referring to a female. That's feminine. You are referring to what? To feminine. That are feminine. Not to a masculine. Not to a masculine. If you want to refer to a masculine, that's going to be what? Anta. That's going to be anta. Anta tagsil. Anta tagsil. That for what? That is for masculine. But for feminine, it is going to be anti-taxilin. Anti-taxilina. Anti-taxilina. That's for feminine. Now, let's use goib on the two examples that I bring out, which is huwa and hiya. Huwa and what? And hiya. Now, huwa. Now, if you want to refer to someone that is not here, you are talking to someone, you are facing someone, and then you want to indicate someone. If you want to indicate someone, maybe, okay, you want to indicate like Abdullah, then you don't need to, and then you don't want to use the word Abdullah, then you use what? Goib, which is what? Huwa, to indicate him. Talking to someone that this social person did this kind of what? This kind of thing. How do you say that? How do we represent that kind of what? That kind of person with what? With domain. We say huwa, that he. Huwa. Now, how do you say is a student in this school? How do you say that in Arabic? Is a student in this school. You say huwa talib في هذا مدرسة في هذه مدرسة في هذه مدرسة مدرسة. That هو طالب في هذه مدرسة is a student in this school. Is a student in this school. Now, is a student in this school. هو طالب في هذه مدرسة. Is a student in this what? In this school. هو طالب في هذه مدرسة. Now, how do you say is a teacher in Arabic? You say هو مدرس. هو مدرس. هو مدرس is a what? Is a teacher. Is a teacher. هو مدرس. هو مدرس is a what? Is a teacher. هو مدرس is a teacher. Then now, let's use here to form phrases as well. Now, how do you say that she is sitting? in Arabic, don't forget, you want to use the word here. Here, that's what. How do you say that she is sitting she is sitting in Arabic? How do you say that in Arabic? You say hiya tajlis. Hiya, you say hiya tajlis. Hiya tajlis. Hiya tajlis. Now, how do you say that she's a teacher? You say hiya muallimat. Hiya muallimat. Hiya muallimat. She's a teacher. Hiya muallimat. She's a teacher. Hiya muallimat. She's a teacher. Now, how do you say she is beating in Arabic? How do you say that? She is beating. You say hiya tadrib. You say hiya tadrib. Hiya tadrib. That's she is what? She is beating. That's how to say she is beating in Arabic. Hiya tadrib. Hiya tadrib. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel.